Hey guys, Khan from Khan Reviews here today, and I'm going to show you how to install Global ROM for your Sony device. In my case, I'm using the Sony Xperia XZ3 as you know, but this method will work for most of the Sony devices. And also don't worry about the bootloader unlock because we don't need it for this method. Before we start, can you guys subscribe my channel? That will be a big gift for me. So let's get started. First, we need to download the necessary files. I've put the download links in the description below. First things first, let's download the Global ROM first through the xperifirm. Go to xperifirm folder, run xperifirm. From your left panel, find the device you're downloading the ROM for. In our case, Xperia XZ3. Click the global version model, which is H8416. Now select the customized UK version. That's the most relevant for us. Then on the right side, click the latest firmware, which is the top one, and download. It will take a while. When it's done, close the window. Now let's install the flash boot. Now let's unzip the new flasher files. Go to the folder where you downloaded the new flasher files. Unzip them or extract them using the WinRAR. We will need these later. When the files are downloaded and ready, the next step is to prepare the phone for installation. Before starting the process, make sure your phone is charged over 80% and backed up. If it is, we head over to resetting the phone, enabling the developers options, and enabling the USB debugging. Now when it's done, the phone is ready to install a Global ROM. To install a Global ROM on your phone, connect your device via USB cable to your laptop or PC, but remember you have to enter into flashing mode on your device. To do so, press and hold the volume down button and plug in the USB cable. When the red notification light turns green, leave the button. If you have done it correctly, you will see the green indication light on your phone. Now copy the new flasher files and paste them in the downloaded Global ROM folder which you have downloaded earlier. Run the new Flasher file as administrator. Press N for all the optional installations. The installation process will take about 2 minutes, so be patient. The installation is completed and we can now unplug the phone. Now power on your device. I hope this guide helped you. If it did, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel. It will be a massive help for me. See you guys soon.